Hi everyone, my name is Kim Donnelly. I am the author and illustrator of Bonding with Friends, H2O and Helium. This rhyming science book has two stories in one. One is about the H2O water molecule and how oxygen and hydrogen bond to form H2O, and then also about helium, which doesn't bond along with the other noble gases. But I made a song about the H2O water molecule to help kids remember. So just a little bit about me. I'm Kim Donnelly. I am a chemical engineer and a mom of two girls, and I wrote these stories to make science fun and easy for kids. So let's learn the song and dance about the H2O water molecule. So I will show you, and then we'll break it down, and then we'll do it together. Okay. My name is oxygen, I have two bonds. My name is hydrogen, I have one bond. We like to hold hands because together we're strong. This is the H2O Water Song. Okay, so for oxygen, you'll make a big O with your hands because oxygen goes by the letter O in the periodic table. And then you'll show that it has two bonds by putting your two hands out, wave them around, have some fun. And then for hydrogen, it starts with the letter H, and it is also letter H on the periodic table. So we're gonna make an H with our bodies and our hands, and so put your arms really nice and straight. And then we'll show that it has one bond by showing one hand. So we'll put the other hand behind our back. So wave that one bond or the one hand. And then when it's time to bond, we'll hold hands. So you can hold your own hand and show how strong that bond is. If you're in a classroom, you can hold the hands of your classmates and then show how strong they are by putting those arms up as you're holding hands. And then for the last part of the dance, we'll make big, nice waves, kind of like the ocean with our hands. So wave those hands up and down, show the water in the ocean. Okay, so let's put it all together. My name is oxygen, I have two bonds. My name is hydrogen, I have one bond. We like to hold hands because together we're strong. This is the H2O Water Song. Again, my name is oxygen, I have two bonds. My name is hydrogen, I have one bond. We like to hold hands because together we're strong. This is the H2O Water Song. Happy reading and stay curious.